Yes, a 62-in-1 precision torque screwdriver set, doing an unboxing and review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I do appreciate you tuning into this one. So I have here is a 62-in-1 precision electric screwdriver set. Now I don't have one of these, and this was sent to me by Outfandia, and I wanted me to take a look at it and just give them my thoughts, and I want to give you my thoughts and my impression. Like I said, comes in this nice kit, comes with everything. Let's take a look at it, do the unboxing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, let's get into the unboxing. Like I said, let's just pull this out and see what we have inside the box. So everything is all packaged nicely. And let's see what else is in the box here. So we have a little instruction kit here. Give you basically information about the actual electric screwdriver, USB charging, comes with all that, comes with all the bits, comes with everything. So you can take a look at this at your leisure. Pretty self-explanatory. So let's see what we have in here. So this is a extra kit. This is like for all types of work. If you're doing a lot, especially if you're doing a lot of cell phone repairs, this is an extra kit that comes with this. There's all different configurations online, but this one, I'll leave a link down below. You can see what's available in this one. Okay, so that empties that out. So what we have here is we have the USB cable to charge it, and it looks like a USB-C. Which is awesome. I like that a lot. So everything is pretty much going to USB-C, so that's really nice to see that. I like that a lot. Nice to see. We got some tweezers. Okay, nice quality tweezers. Extension cup. This is to help to pull off screens on your cell phones. I don't know if you've seen that, but I'm sure you have. We have all kinds of, I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a cover or something, maybe. I don't know. Let's see what we have. What else we have here? It's like little spatulas and little sponges and little, it's like a little scraper, all kinds of interesting small tools to pry and pull and to separate things. That's what this is for. This is all metal. This is a little scraper. You can see that. Again, decent quality. And we have all these little, as well as little, these look like guitar picks, but they're not. They're actually just to help pry and get into different small places and pull things off without causing any friction or any electrical disturbance and things like that. That's why they're plastic, which is important. You get a bunch of those. You get, I'm not sure what this thing is, but I think it's like magnetic. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure what this is. If you know what this is, let me know down below. Again, this is my first time doing this type of kit review, so I just wanted to show you that. And if I had to guess, this cap goes to this very sharp thing. I think that's probably how it goes. Again, this is like another tool. So there's a bunch of cool stuff here. And this is a to pull out your card on your cell phone. If you've seen one of these before, a lot of the cell phones used to come with these years ago. A lot of them don't. This just pulls out your SIM card to actually be able to pop it out. So that's what this is for. Okay, so that is all that. So let's just push it all to the side, and that's cool. So that's comes all those different accessories. But the main thing we're looking at here is this kit itself. Let's pull it out of the box. Okay, so it does come with a pad. This is a cool little pad here. This is where you can put your screws and keep things organized, and it's just really interesting. And it's magnetic, which is kind of really nice. So everything when you deal with small screws and things, magnetic is really your friend because things get lost really easy. So this is a nice magnetic pad. I love this a lot. This is actually really nice, and it has a lot of different things on it. Easy repairs guide on here. It's hard to read all this, but this is the little pieces you can put all your screws in, keep things organized and structured. Actually has some measurements on here as well. And let's look at the case itself. Okay, so the case, as you can see here, it's a cool all metal case. Here's the back, here's the sides. It's very sleek and very nice. So let's put this back here, let's put this side out of the way. And to access the case, all you do is press it. So it's got a press release, just like you see here, press release. And this opens right up just like that. So let's pull this out. Again, all aluminum housing. Nice quality build, so A+ on the build. This is going to last you for years and years. Should last you pretty much a lifetime, I'd imagine. So this is a nice quality build. I like that. And let's take a look at the actual. So it's got all the bits here. So it's got tons and tons of different bits. So let's just go over them real quickly. If you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Let me know if you have any questions or anything that you've used like this at all in the past. Let me know. So I'm going to give you a basic rundown of what this is. So it's a 62-in-1 professional torque screwdriver tool set. It's cordless. It's rechargeable, which is really cool. 48 pieces. This has 48 piece bits, which is really interesting. I like that quite a bit for repairing smartphones, iPhones, MacBook electronics. So small electronics. Okay, don't be taking your car apart with this. Okay, this is not for that. This is not for big jobs. This is all for small electronics, small items. easy, small things to get into, but without constantly, you know, screwing those little tiny screws up. By the time you get done, your wrist will fall apart. So that's what this is for, to really make it easy for you to access and to change things. And that's what that's all about, okay? Eyeglasses, circuit boards, toys, PC games, things like that, okay? So the tool itself, let's take a look at the actual screwdriver first. The actual tool. Here is the USB. Whoop, the USB-C is here on the back, which I'm glad to see that. I'm glad it's not the micro. I'm glad it's a USB-C, so that is a prop. Definitely, this is a nice one. It has a light. Okay, so that's cool, right? That light, hard to see, but you know what? When you're working in small places, this light comes in really handy. Okay, then you have your forward and reverse, and it's nice and quiet, so you can hear that. Okay, so that's how that works. Also, when you plug it in, it has a charge indicator. It lets you know when it is charged. It doesn't have any torque settings. Doesn't have any on-off switches. It's just like that. And everything is all magnetic, which I love magnetic stuff, because when you're dealing with screws, it's hard to put small screws in. As you know, if you ever used a regular screwdriver, it's a real pain in the butt. So these are all magnetic, and they're all sitting here magnetic too, which is really kind of cool. Check this out. Yeah. So everything is magnetic. All the bits are magnetic, and the holder holds everything in magnetic. So that is super cool. It's got some long bits, it's got some short bits, and they just all slide in here and easily into this. Into here. It's all magnetic, as you can see here. Okay, really cool. This is really, I like this a lot. Again, nice quality build. So let's take a look at, so 48 pieces, like I said before. So it has an S2, of course, for the cell phones. S2 bits are really important as well. Those are really kind of important. It's got 200 RPM rotating speed, so this goes 200 RPMs. 200 RPM, so maybe rotations per minute, I guess. So that's what that means. With the speed 0.25 to 0.35 and .m torque. I'm not sure what that really means, but that's what that says. But that's kind of cool. It's got a quick forward, quick reverse, which I do see that. Quick forward, quick reverse, and it's easy to access. So when you're doing small things like taking out screws, it's like a pencil. Easy to use, easy to access, and nice. So it's got a good fluid motion, not too big for your hands. Some of them are just too big, and I think this is actually a really good size. So it fits really well in the hands, almost like a pencil would. So you get that precision removing of screws, nice and easy. Boom, boom, boom. You put them on the magnetic plate when you put them out, the screws, so you don't lose them. So that's the idea behind the whole kit. Just really make it really simple for yourself, and that's really kind of cool. Okay. All right, so I want to do a cutaway here. I just want to show you in action how it's working here. So it comes right out. I use the tweezers to pull out the actual screw, and then I put it on the magnetic pad so I don't lose it. And that's what it's all about. Again, comes right out. I took care of it. And this is a pretty beefy screws too. It's a big lens, and it came right out really super easy, and on the magnetic pad so you don't lose it. All right, guys, let's get back to the unboxing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's continue with the video. You got Phillips, you got slotted, you have security, you have torque, hex, portal loop, pentalope, I don't know what that means, torques, triangular, Y, tri-wing, I mean, you name it. It's got the U-shape, it's got everything. It's got all kinds of cool stuff. So this is a really cool set. You can see here, it's got tons of different bits, tons of different options, as well as regular Phillips, special torques, special screwdrivers. It's got long, it's got short. So I think all in all, I definitely give this an A+. I like it's compact, it's small, easy to use, and easy to understand, and everything goes in a slot and everything comes out in a slot. So like I said, everything is magnetic, as you can see here. So when you pull it out, okay, you just pop it in here, it's magnetic, and everything all works perfectly. And here is a U-shaped screwdriver. You can see how it turns. You can see that easier. Super quiet. Here's the light off and on. Nice and easy. So I'll leave a link down below for this item, so it's available, and definitely check out that link. That link does help support my channel, and if you do appreciate all the reviews and the different things that I do, I would like a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. That really helps me out quite a bit to help me keep doing what I'm doing, so I can help you keep doing the things that you like to do, like electronics. I do all types of reviews on my channel, so it's soup to nuts. I do all kinds of different things, different technical reviews. I do drone videos, I do you name it, I pretty much do it. I like to look at things, I like to challenge myself and just to learn about new products and actually give them to you, so you know that, yes, this is high quality plastic, yes, these are high quality bits, and yes, this is a decent item, not junk. It feels well, it's well made, and that's what the channel's about, to give you some information. So if it's not good, you gotta know. If it's good, you gotta know. So subscribe to the channel and you'll be notified when a new video is available, and you can see what's happening. So all in all, And you can feel this. This torque has some good power to it. I just want to just put a little resistance to it just to see how it feels, how much torque there is. Yeah. I mean, I can't stop it, so it's got some good torque to it. Like I said, I wouldn't I wouldn't change your tires with this, but I would definitely work on your electronics. Easy to use. It's going to save you a ton on your body. All right, guys, I didn't want to make it too long, but I really just wanted to get into the depth of what's involved here, what's included, and I think you really can't go wrong for the product and the price. I'll leave a link down below. Like I said, it does help support my channel, and I do appreciate time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.